Hey pretty people, thanks for stopping by Curated Home. I hope you're doing fabulous wherever you are. Coming up in today's episode, we have some grill work, we did some electrical work, we started the excavation for the wastewater system, we have some sanding at the walls and priming. So if you want to see the progress on these, just continue watching. So what you're looking at to your left is the tractor doing the excavation for the septic tank, and a little later is going to be doing the excavation for the soakaways. And just a little update in front, the garage is now leveled and it is looking much better, and also the gutter bed is now in. So we're now in the bedroom and the walls are now primed, sanded and primed. So it needs a lot of coat of primer, but we're going to be adding that a little later. We also had some water on the floor because the rain, we have a lot of rain and the rain keeps blowing in, so we have to do something about that. So what you see here now is just a closer look at the tractor doing the excavation for the septic tank, like I said prior. So yes, so the septic tank is going to be here, and then a little further we're going to have two soakaways, and one is for the gray water and one is for black water. So as we go further in future episode, I'll explain which is black water as opposed to gray water, and also the construction of the septic tank. So yes. The septic tank took a little longer than expected to be excavated because we met some areas that was very hard and stony. So we had to use the jackhammer for a few hours, and that took a pretty penny. So this is what I am most excited for this video. So we have burglar bars / grills. So the grills are in, and I am in love with them. So I want to say kudos, big up to the grill man. He did a fabulous job on the grills. I am not the biggest fan of grills, but these are nice. I'm not the biggest fan. I need them for security, so they're in. So I went with a simple design. I went with I am not into overly designed stuff. I like simplicity. I think it's good. And also I went with the grills being fitted in the frame of the window because I think it looks better. It looks much better sitting in the frame than hanging on the outside. All right, so so this is how it look in the bedroom, and we're going into the bathroom, and this is how it looks in the bathroom. So also all the electrical wiring, they're pulled through. So these are the two recessed lights in the bathroom, as well as the wall sconce. And the wall, back wall in the bathroom is not sanded because it is going to be tiled across. So I want to say sanding walls is not the easiest thing. So this room and all the areas that are sanded and primed was done by my husband and myself. So I oh my god, it is hard work. So this is why this side is not yet sanded, because it is taking a lot of time, and we're only able to get to this on the weekends if we can get to it at all. So we're trying to get it done in short order. Now back into the garage, and we have another look at the windows with the grill, and they're quite fabulous. So over to your left here, we are going to be putting a floor drain here, as well as putting a wall to prevent the garage from being flooded. And can I say how much I appreciate just walking out into the yard. So the yard is now cleaned up a bit and it is looking much better, so I love it. So on the outside here, the workmen, they're going to continue to do the finishing work on the outside. It is going to be a finish that is similar to a trolley lawn. It is called one down. So that is the finish for now. And can anybody tell me, if you're building in Jamaica, if you're experiencing labor shortage like I am? So my workmen are only able to come to work if I get 2 days of the week. I get a lot. So sometimes it is 1 day per week, and so why this video is 2 months in. So if you are experiencing any of that, just drop it in the comments down below. What you're looking at here are the 2 soakaways. So the one to your left is for the wastewater from the kitchen, and the one to your right is for the wastewater from the septic tank. And the septic tank is to the right of that soakaway. So in future videos, I'll tell you the dimension, and I'll also show you as best as I can the construction of the septic tank as well as the soakaway. Alright, so that is all for today, and I am so happy to be back and being able to show you guys some form of update on the project. So until next time, remember, whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.